Ollie, can you hear me?
Perfect. Awesome.
Hear me, Ollie?
Yes.
Okay. Did we have a class before this? I think I missed the first one.
Yeah, there
Was
was a
there
class
one?
before this one.
Okay, I
It
think I
was
missed
just
that
it
one.
was just how to use Canva at the basic level. So today is going to be about the KW Canva partnership, getting into the account and how to um, connect it so that you can see your see listings and pull listing photos from the MLS.
Oh, yeah.
So this will be a really good one on how to do all the things with the KW network. And I'm just letting everybody in. This is going to be an awesome class. Cool. So yeah, this is all about the KW Canva partnership. We're going to talk about how to get into the account. We're going to talk about all the templates that are already here for you to use. We're going to talk about maybe connecting or the resources to find how to connect if you already have a pro Canva account, how to merge all your templates to this one or how to share them over and connecting the KW app so that you can pull listing pictures, descriptions, addresses over from the MLS into Canva without having to download and upload and use all that storage. All right, I'm going to give a couple more minutes for people to jump on. Does anyone have any initial questions that we want to get out of the way right off the bat? I just want to make sure I address any questions at some point during this meeting. But cool. Okay, so let me share my screen here. We're going to share this window. Let's see. Don't think I need any sound, but I think we're good here. Okay. Can everyone see this screen okay? I'm trying to move all my bars so I can see you guys. And perfect. Thank you. Love it. And let me make sure I got this chat up so I can see any chats. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to stop me. The website that we're going to use today to get into this connection is canva.kw.com. Yes, this is being recorded, so we are going to upload it to the YouTube channel. It might be at the end of the day, but we're going to do canva.kw.com. This is the website that you want to use. As you can see, there's this wonderful red banner here. KW and Canva is here, and it's built just for you. I love it. Look at that, all that personalization. So canva.kw.com makes sure that you are getting into the correct account. If it's your first time logging in, it's going to ask you for your login. It might ask you for your login credentials. These are the same login credentials as your command. So these are the same credentials as your login to your command. Okay. So canva.kw.com, you're going to log in and I have my home page. My home page is already set and ready to go. And is everybody, I just want to kind of have everyone kind of be on the same page. Everyone in the canva.kw.com account, you can chat me a yes or give me a thumbs up or come off mute. I'm totally down for whatever you guys are comfortable with. Thank you, Michelle.
We need to go into that.
Yes.
I can't get my screen to move.
You're
I
fine.
can't get behind my screen. Okay, let me work on it.
You're good. Just let me know when you're in canva.kw.com. It's your command logins. Just want to make sure everybody's in and connected and everything's good. Hey. Okay. Cool. So yeah, again, you're in the right place when you can see this big red banner, the KW Canva. It's here and it's built just for you. Again, you're going to use the same logins as your command here to get going.
Wait, can we get there another way, or do you have to just type in that KW that
You have to type in canva.kw.com.
okay.
And I'll chat it again just so everyone's got it. I know people are still slowly coming in, so canva.kw.com. Cool. And sorry, y'all, I'm addicted to my Coca-Cola. You might see me drink it. If y'all don't know, McDonald's has their Monopoly thing going back on, and y'all, I'm hoping to win $1 million. We'll see what happens. I might not go to McDonald's that much, but I'm hoping the one time I do go, it happens for me. Yeah. I can walk through adding the food drive designs. That's a great question, Michelle. So I built these out. Let me see. You got this email, Michelle? Yeah, so when you're in it, I might have to access this link with a different account. Let's circle back to that because I think I have to log into a different account to get there, but that's a great question. We will walk through that. Okay. Laurel, are you in that Canva account?
What'd you say?
Are you in that Canva account?
Yes, they
Perfect.
automatically logged me in. I was looking for the login.
Perfect.
How
See,
they figured out they auto.
sometimes command gets us going right, or it all works out really well.
Yeah, I'm not able to find that. I'm typing it into my Google. But it's not unless I go in through you remember that thing you sent me that time? Can I get in that way?
No, you just type it up here at the very search bar.
Very top.
Very top, canva.kw.com.
canva.kw.com.
And you hit enter.
Enter. Okay.
All right.
Read the terms. Read the terms.
Yep. Agree to all the things. Agree to the things that you have to agree to because you have to say yes no matter what. Those things are funny, right?
I think I'm in.
All right, perfect. Awesome. Great. So again, red banner, you've got your designs. These are the projects that you're currently working on. You can see I was working on some food drive stuff. Templates are going to be like your regular Canva account. So this is where all the pro templates are. So if you're looking for something like how they give some awesome templates here already, Halloween, cool. I can find a ton of different Halloween icons, graphics, promos. So these are all here and these are all editable. For your, on the left side, you have some more applets here. This projects. This is going to have a folder. Now there's a ton of folders added in there, but there will be a folder for me. I have to scroll down pretty far, but you have a folder for your Market Center, which will have your Market Center logo. So here I have Market Center 341 and I have 686. So these are two Market Centers that I operate out of. I also have 934. So you might have one of those Market Center numbers probably at the bottom. But if I click on this MC341, this will have my Mount Pleasant logo in the projects. If I keep going down on my folders, so the projects, some of these folders here will be for your Market Center and your logos. You might have to scroll down because one thing we're learning is that some people are sharing to associates and they think they're just sharing it with the associates in their office. However, they are sharing it to the entire KW database, which is kind of funny. So if you are sharing graphics with somebody, please make sure you're typing in their name or putting in their information so you're not accidentally sharing to the entire organization. However, as you can see, it's not that big of a deal. You just might have to search for your office specific stuff a little bit deeper. So we do
I don't have anything in mind. It's just empty. It does like
and
nothing.
your projects at the left.
It just says folders. Oh, okay. I see some stuff, but nothing I've done.
Yeah, so some of these folders aren't just for your office, and that's what I was saying. Some agents have accidentally shared to the entire organization. They are looking at locking that, but if you like show more, show more, show more until you can't show more anymore, you'll see a MC, Latricia, I think yours is MC 934, maybe BC, or just 934, and that will be your Market Center logos. Lynn, the top left folder named uploads, that is your folder. So that is your private folder. So if I click on mine, I have all the graphics that I was trying to work with for the food drive projects. Because I was trying out a couple of graphics, y'all. I like Kristen and I were kind of, I won't say we were arguing, we were having creative discussions over the aesthetics of the project. So yeah, the uploads is just private for you. It's not in the wrong spot. That's under your projects. These additional folders were just shared from other market centers. But I'll show you where you can find the logos again. But I just wanted to make you aware of these folders and kind of what these extra folders are and are here for. So this is your projects. The templates here, these, yep, don't share to all associates. That's what you don't want to do. The templates, again, these templates here are just going to be any of the KW Canva templates. So you can search by category. If you need a door hanger or a Facebook cover, you can find all of these here. And then this one right here to the left, this one's the brand. This is where you're going to find those KW specific real estate templates. So you've got for postcards, you've got a buyer presentation, you've got Instagram, flyers, you've got all of these templates here for you to use for any sort of real estate. You guys, we have a international team, has a social media, they have a content marketing team, and they build out some of these flyers so they look really nice. They've also been partnered. Canva has also come in and started to help them like build some of these templates and stuff. So you should be able to find some really awesome like Thanksgiving templates. Thanksgiving helps if I can spell, y'all. We've got this cute little one from the brand templates, or you can search for any templates in the Canva network. This one's just going to be specific to a KW created one. Okay. So the brand templates here are going to be ones for real estate business with KW. And up here in the brand kit, so these are the brand templates. There's a brand kit. This is where you're going to be able to find if you have a luxury qualified listing, you can pull the luxury logo. You can pull just the core logo. So just the Keller Williams equal housing logos. I go back, we got commercial as well. So you've got your brand kits, just kind of for those like extra special options. And then you've got your brand templates that you can create. Okay. Awesome. One thing I'd like us all to do, I want us to make sure that we have that connectivity to the MLS so we can download those images and pictures. So at the left side of Canva, there is this option here called apps. Okay, so I want us to all go to the left side, the left applet, far left, last one down, apps. And I'm going to search for the app. It's just, you can do KW or you can type Keller Williams. And I hit enter. So I went over here to the apps, I searched for an app here, and I did the KW. Okay, import KW listings and profiles. So I'm going to click on this. I've already registered, so I don't know if there's like a if it says like register now or connect app. It's going to connect it into command and give permissions. If I could just get like a yes in the chat or like a thumbs up, or you've got a lot of options here to tell me that you've got this done.
Just has that on it. I don't see anything else. It doesn't tell me to do anything else.
Okay, so we got this. So you just clicked on it and it's just good.
It just looked like that, yeah.
Oh, Michelle, can you hear me? Oh, everybody else can hear me though, yeah? Oh, did everyone lose my sound? Oh, Amber said she could hear me. Okay, all right, thank you, Lynn. All right.
Oh, when I click on it, I guess I do have to add something. It says existing.
Use an existing design. Yeah, we can say use an existing design. Oh, maybe they changed where it was, the last time I did this class, it had like a little register button.
I accidentally clicked on that and I don't know what I'm doing now. Like, oh my gosh. It's not excellent. Oh God. Okay. Why is it so big? Use existing design, use a new design.
Yeah, let's use a new design. Actually, let's stop for a second. Before it had register, so I'm gonna go back in here to my brand co, this branding option. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to the KW brand templates. Okay, I'm sorry, Michelle, I'm not sure what's going on. So I'm back here in this brand templates here at the left. I'm just gonna click on one of these flyers. And I don't know, maybe we'll use this one looks pretty cool. This modular just listed flyer, right? So then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna click use this brand template. And then now I have this awesome template, and now I need to plug in one of my listings. So I have connected the Keller Williams app here. I don't know if now, like I have this little KW app here. You might have to go to apps and then do KW and click that. So once you click a brand or if you click a template, you can click on any template you want. I just clicked this one because I liked it. And then I want to switch out these pictures. So I came over here to the apps, typed KW, and then click that KW. And does it allow you guys to register or connect? Did it do that for you guys this time? I feel like every time I've taught this class, this thing does a little different. So now I can search for a property. Does anyone have
Hey,
who's got a
so
listing?
I'm trying, let me answer your question. I actually, it is a little bit different than what you showed, but I did go, when you get into the apps thing and there's
Yeah.
underneath I see a try LinkedIn ads is the first thing at the top, then search apps. I put in KW and then you have to click search. Then I hit Keller Williams. Then that KW Canva comes up.
Okay.
And I have a choice, use an existing design or use a new design. I don't know how you got that KW over on the left-hand menu for whatever.
I don't have it either.
Okay.
But
All
I
right,
just thought I would answer some of your questions because I'm trying to do it while you're talking.
No, you're fine. And I know it's kind of hard going back and forth too, but so try clicking on, let's try clicking on like a template to work with and see if maybe it pops up over in that left side. I know when I first taught this class, I had to register for that KW app, but I think now they might have just fixed it with that command connection. So I'm gonna click on a template to use.
Went into brands.
Yep, so I went into brand and I just clicked on a template and I said I wanted to use the brand template. Okay.
Oh gosh.
And just pick one because this one's just for practice.
Yeah, I just did it. I
right.
got one. So
Perfect. Awesome. All right. And then when you're in a design, now I would go to the apps and type in KW. So that little app, KW, I clicked on that KW and now it's taking me to where I can search for a listing.
I don't know. I don't see listings. I just see apps.
Yeah, so you click apps and then you want to search for KW. So search for that.
Okay. Okay. And it takes me back to the little square one. It says import listings and profiles.
Yep, it says listings and profiles. Yep, that's correct.
Okay.
And then I'm going to search. I'm just going to search in an area. So I'm going to do, let's say like Charleston, South Carolina. Now, if you have a listing, you can search for any listing. I'm in my listings. I have no listings. I am not an agent. So I'm going to search for all listings. And then this is where I can find, maybe I need to get a little bit more specific. Hold on. Let's go
Not getting that. I don't see that little window on the side.
Okay, but you saw the listings and profiles, right?
No.
Huh?
No, I'm back to the beginning now where it says Keller Williams listing. Yeah, it says listing and profile.
Yeah, so then you just
Click on that.
search. Just I'm just in the listings and I searched by list. I searched an area in the listing search. So I did Charleston, South Carolina. I ended up adding the zip code so I could get out of like the Charleston downtown land, little boat slots and stuff. So if you have a listing, you can use your pictures. I'm gonna use, oh, this one's super cute, I think.
Oh, you have to have a listing to do that.
Well,
I
you can
don't-
search. I search, so there's my listings and then there's all listings. So
I
you
don't
kind of
see
have
that
to,
square. I don't see that at all. That little thing said listings or profile to the side of the
so you see
option.
listings and under
No, those things-
listings. Under
don't-
listings, there's that little search. Do you see the search?
Yeah, I don't see that. I don't see that. Like you got your side by side with that. I don't have that. It's about doing something right.
But you see the word listings, correct?
No,
Listings in profile.
no.
Okay, so then you have to open the app back up. You have to go back to app KW. Okay, so we're all right. So let's, but we have, all right. So everyone got a little lost, and that's okay.
Just watch. I'm gonna slow you down.
No, it's okay. I want everyone to like kind of know how to do this. And Laurel said she's lost too. So you guys have a design open, correct? Like a flyer to work with?
No, I don't.
Okay,
We gotta go get a template?
yes, you got to open a template. Yep, so you just
I don't
pick,
know how I'm gonna open a template when the only options I have are open a new, do a new.
Yeah, I'm seeing what you're saying.
do you see the brand, Laurel, do you see, we're in the brand app at the left here.
Oh, we said to go in apps
I'm sorry. So we're gonna do brand.
on brand.
We're gonna
Okay, and just pick something.
pick something to work with. And we're gonna use the brand template.
The brand template.
And then in this,
Okay, now I see. It says template or
Okay.
styles.
Then click inside. You want to change the address or something?
yeah, well, we're not gonna, we don't have to click inside. You can click inside and change the address, but I'm trying, there's a little easy way to
Easy
like
way.
drag and drop. So at the left side of this with the flyer there's that other apps. Do you see where it's like
Right.
tools, projects, apps? So,
Tools. Oh, scroll down to apps under there.
yep. So apps here. And we want to search for KW. Latricia, did you see that? You've got designs, elements.
I'm in there, so just put KW.
Uh-huh. And then you
KW.
click on that KW and then it should say listings, profiles.
I'm not getting that part. That's what I'm not getting out. Okay, I go all the way. Okay, click the KW. KW Keller Williams, right?
Yes.
Let me try it. Nope, I don't know what I just did.
Latricia, you and I might have to stay on after and
I
maybe you
don't
share
wanna,
your
I don't want to, I don't want to slow you
Yeah.
down.
No, you're good.
I'm looking at all kinds of listings in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so you can search for listings, Charleston, South Carolina, 29414. I'm going to search for all listings here. And I'm going to click on this backyard, just looks super gorgeous and I'm super all about it. So if you click on a property, whether it's your listing or you're advertising another agent's listing, maybe for an open house, and now you have all these pictures, and what do? So I want to drag the front here. What you do is you just drag, click the picture you want, drag, and then you drop it where you want that picture to go. And so now I see like this little kitchen one. I love a pretty kitchen. Let's see. This is gorgeous. So I'm going to drop this one over here. I want that backyard picture. I'm going to drop that like here. So you can just pick, click and drag, and you just drop the images where you want. So that covers the images. Is everyone, now if I go back up to the top, so I've got images for this address, and then I have details for this address. And then I've got the address. So what I can do now is I can just click and drag and take that address and put it where the old address is. So it keeps the same color, it keeps the same formatting, it keeps the same structure of the design. So I can just list it at.
I think they're a little overpriced there.
Click and drag this one here. And then
That
it's
place
got
doesn't look anything like that. I drive by there all the time.
and then I have this huge description here. I maybe not want the whole description over, so I can either choose to just click this title and retype it, or you can also just kind of like, you can drag, double click, or you can like pick the spaces that you want. So if I want, let's see, I would probably just like drag. We're going to make it really big so I can see what I want to see. And then you can copy and paste, or you can just, you know, just retype what you want that to go in there.
So I see that, like the file, all the stuff, the editing, I see the design all the way down, but I don't have that KW, I don't have the,
So you have design elements,
yeah, all that other
text,
stuff, but when you get
brand.
down to past the apps,
You got to click apps
I did,
and then
I
type
clicked
KW.
app and I typed KW.
And then you click on this KW right here.
Oh, wait a minute, I can't see because I got it side by
No,
side.
you're good. That's okay.
Okay, do that again,
So I come down here to apps.
right,
I searched KW
right, I don't get that.
and
Maybe, oh, okay, yeah, I see it.
and then
Okay,
click that KW.
did you open it?
I clicked it, yeah.
I mean, it says, now I see the KW, it says Keller Williams, created by Keller Williams, and it says open,
You click open and see what happens.
open, connect,
Yep.
and now it's telling me to sign into my
Command.
command.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's what I didn't do. So now I'm in command, I don't know what's going on. It's
Yep,
spinning.
just give it a second.
I got a whole new window though. Yeah, it's just spinning right now.
Okay, yeah, give it some time. It should just be connecting that app. Okay. Now I will say there are some things like uploads, like your headshot might not be in here yet. So you may have to like find your headshot file and drag that in there. So I'm gonna you're gonna see all my stuff. I'm so sorry. Holly stuff. Let's see, we got this little headshot. Cute, right? Y'all, I don't take pictures. And then say I want to just drop my headshot in. I'm just going to click and drag it, and then I can slowly drag it over here into that picture on the left. And now my headshot is saved in this little upload section. So now
Okay,
if
so you went to upload. Mine's still spinning, so I'm
okay. Yeah, no, you're
yes,
fine.
I'm paying attention to you.
No, you're good.
So you went to upload, you uploaded your picture and you put it in the
Yep, I just dragged and dropped it into the space where his
design.
into where his little space was. And now that I've uploaded it once, that headshot, you can see all the pictures that I've ever uploaded ever are in here. So I can find this headshot if I need it when I come back to do another design, or if there's any other designs that
This didn't, it's not uploading me, it's still
Oh, there it
spinning.
is.
We just have to keep moving on. I just have to keep
sorry.
watching.
No, you're fine. I'm sorry. Any questions outside of Latricia? I'm sorry. I know you're having like some like slow internet going on. But anybody else have any questions on like the Keller Williams app and connecting like the listings piece or dragging and dropping information?
No, I don't have any questions. So what I'm learning is and I think maybe this will be helpful to anyone, your Canva has been, you've worked on it to make it personal to you. We're not supposed to see exactly what you're seeing because you've added some things over on the left-hand side, correct?
Yeah, a lot of these should still be here as far as like the elements, the text. My pictures, now the uploads is personalized to me.
Right,
So these are going to be the pictures that I see. I just use these pictures
right.
for this example. I was using, yeah, some of these are from the projects that I've been doing. So as you work on projects and add pictures into projects, these will come into your uploads. Um, and
Yes, the KW, the thing that I was saying is I have gone in and connected the KW. I know I have figured out how to pull it in each and every time if I want to work on a template to pull in the listings.
yeah,
I cannot figure out how you've gotten it to remain a permanent fixture on the left-hand side. Mine's not showing up as a permanent fixture, but I'm not going to take the time from this class to get you to teach me to do that. I just thought
okay.
maybe other people could hear that as well. It may not be look the same as yours, but that may be a Google where they have to get on and say, how do I do that? I don't know that that's what
Yeah.
this class is about.
Um, well, and see, I don't, so I did this like a month ago, so I don't remember. I know when I did it, I just connected it, and from there it was there. Maybe there is a way to, let me remove it from my apps and see.
Yeah, like I've connected it when I need to pull it in, but when I get out, come back in, it's not still there. But that isn't, I don't think, what this class is about. I don't want like keep moving on.
No.
This is
So, so,
recorded.
so what I
Yeah.
think, so what happened, mine is in, what I had to do is go in and agree to there was a little other box that popped up and I didn't see it. So I clicked agree and now it popped up in there.
Now you've
So
got the
I
little
don't know
app.
if she
Oh
had
yeah,
to do,
mine is in here. But same thing.
Hmm.
Mine is in
Yes.
there.
so maybe that's yours, or yours is.
Yeah, because Lynn, I did just disconnected, and so now I have to, now that I hit the Keller Williams app, I have to open it, and now it's having me agree and
Yeah,
connect.
see, I had to do that. So I can see it now, but I don't see the listings. But that's probably what she needed to
But
do,
Lynn,
hit
are you
agree.
saying that every time you come in, you have to come in and connect this account?
Yeah. Are you in your KW Canva or your personal Canva?
I'm in my KW Canva.
Yeah, I have done that. It pulls it into the, use an existing design or use a new design. That's where it
Okay.
takes me to every time.
And even when you're on a flyer currently?
Yeah. Like
Okay.
if I go to templates and I go to whiteboard, I mean I can pull it in. It's just not staying over on that left-hand side. I'll figure it out. I'll keep working with it.
Yeah. The other thing, one thing I noticed that I was having some issues with is like we have a ton of different Canva accounts that I've been using. I had to log out of all accounts first and then just log into my KW one to get that to connect correctly.
Maybe, yeah, because Ella is in my account looking at this. Maybe the fact we're both in
Yeah.
it might be a reason. So I'll do that once we're through.
And also, Lynn, if I'm home, if I'm at the Canva home, I don't have that app, that KW app option here on the side until I'm inside a flyer. And then when I'm
Okay.
in the flyer, it pulls up on that left side. It's under
Okay,
my
cool.
Magic Media, it's under my logo. It's
Hmm.
the last applet here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So now that we're in that and I got that, so you put in the listing, how did you get the listing to come up? It
Yeah,
says
so
no listing found.
because you might be under my listings, so I currently don't have any listings, so I had to go to all listings. So I had to go to all listings to find other listings.
It's
And also,
now it's saying connect again. So hit connect.
mm-hmm,
It's gonna ask me to agree. Oh
mm-hmm.
wow. It's taking me through the whole, like she
Oh, the
said,
whole thing, like,
it's taking
okay,
me back, yeah, to go in
okay.
and
And this might be something that I just take back to the Canva team if this is something, because like I said, I only had to connect it the one time, and
I
that was like
agree.
when it first launched.
Now it
And
takes me
then,
back to the beginning.
okay.
And now I popped all the listings in there the second
And
time.
okay, so you see all the listings now?
See all the listings around here. But
Okay,
like she
yeah.
said, I had to go back through the whole scenario all
Think,
over again.
yeah. So I'm wondering that might be something that we reach out to the Canva team about and just put in a little ticket with them in KW. So yeah, once you have a listing pulled up, then you can click on it, and then you've got the images and the details, and you can just like click and drag. It's my favorite part. Look at that. Beautiful. Click and drag. I don't know which state this is in, but we just clicking and dragging.
Yeah, I did that. How'd you get your picture in there? Let me see. What is that? Is that the living room?
My picture or the listing pictures?
Uh, your picture. You uploaded your picture to the little, like I got for sale. You put your
Yeah,
little,
like
your
my
pic-
little picture down here.
yeah.
Yeah, so I hit upload files and then I was able to pull in my headshot. I like downloaded it from my drive here. I just like hit the download button. And then I was able to like drag and drop it in. But you could also like upload from like if you have like it in your drive under pictures or something. I'm a big fan of the drag and drop. It's easier for me to find things that way.
Oh gosh, what I did? I just lost everything. I think. It's
Okay,
went backwards.
so
Oh my God.
I got a little advanced. I've got a piece of text I'm trying to put below the picture, and it can't move the thing. Doesn't want to
Uh,
move.
is it not clicking on the text? Like, did you put in your own text?
I edited the text,
Mm.
but now it's up on top of the picture, and I'm trying to put it below the picture, and I can't click and drag it.
You're doing better than me. I lost the whole thing. I'm back. I don't know if to click on ads. I'm at the brand.
This
Brand
is making
templates.
me nuts, though. This will make me nuts. That it won't move as I'm trying to make it move to where it needs to
Um,
go.
yeah, so what might be happening is you might be clicking on like it might not be clicking the image itself. It might just be it might not be clicking the text, like the text might be behind it.
Ah,
One thing
got
I've
it. Got
yeah,
it. Done. Fixed. Thank
okay.
you.
You're welcome.
Just click on the picture and then you can click on the text again.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then you can get it to move around.
I think
This
I've
is
lost everything. Oh, back there.
this is like Microsoft Publisher, only for people that don't know how to use Microsoft Publisher.
I
You know
don't
what
know
I
what
mean?
happened. I
Have
don't
you
know
ever
what
used
happened to.
Microsoft Publisher?
No, I don't remember Microsoft. I didn't play
Oh,
with that one.
but now I lost the picture. Oh, here it is. Get moved around. No, it's gone. Oh, there it is. I got it.
And
I got
sometimes a
it.
lot of Canva is just playing around with it, like play around with it, have fun with it. Don't get frustrated. Like if I accidentally delete this picture, oh my gosh, what do I do? There's this little undo button in the top left corner so I can undo any changes that I just made. So I can fix it so I don't have to worry about accidentally losing things or, you can't mess it up. You can't mess it up
Well,
too hard.
well, I lost the little thing on the side where you can houses and all that stuff. It's like
Uh,
that's gone, and the only thing is saying text, or it's got me in there where I can either use the tools and all the stuff like that, but I don't see any longer see the
so it
side by
either
side.
yeah, it'd either be the apps or you'd have to find that KW app again.
Oh, okay,
But
there it
mine
is.
is an app, like if I scroll all the way down, mine's an app that shows up in this little box here. So I don't know if it's
So
still here
it
for
did.
you.
I hit the KW app again and it popped back in.
There
But
you go.
but I was trying to find the upload.
For your
To,
picture, for your headshot?
right.
Yeah,
For the
so it's
picture.
this little upload button here.
It's not showing on my side.
Under
Yeah.
elements, text, brand, upload.
Right. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see the upload. Okay, I hit that. And it says images.
Yeah, so you're uploading an image, but do you see the purple button where it says upload files?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. I get it. I gotta find the picture. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, and then once your picture's uploaded, it's here.
Yeah, I'm looking for it. My headshot.
Yeah. So I
You
just
see
keep
my
it.
head.
Hmm?
Using my headshot is too big. It'll sometimes tell me it's too large.
I don't think that should be a problem here, not for this platform. Canva's super friendly with image sizes. It's usually Command that has the bigger image size problem, and so that's why there's a whole class dedicated to how to get your designs from Canva into Command. We're not going to touch on that today, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to make sure that we got all the apps connected. You were familiar with the connection here. I do want to spend,
My
because I
headshot
know,
just popped in.
perfect. Yeah, so then you can just, again, you can click and drag your headshot into the right spot.
So I
Now
know
I
where
will.
it goes. Oh, can I do it there? Oh, no, it's too big. Oh my gosh.
Well,
Holly,
if you-
will you remind me, what is it, what are today's goals, as we only have a little bit left? What are today's goals and for us to take away?
Today's goals, so was to connect that KW app, just to be aware that you do have real estate design templates here for you.
Okay.
The last thing I do want to talk about is in the home page section, I opened up this little side menu here where it's like Canva starred for teams. There is this Canva Enterprise onboarding. And so here, if you're having trouble connecting that Canva account, there's like a little walkthrough on how to make sure that's connected and stays there. So Lynn, I think this might be something that you might want to check out just to
Perfect,
see.
thanks.
They also have the copying designs from one place to the other. And I do want to touch on that just a little bit more. I know we're kind of running a little low. So in your Canva KW account, if I click on my little name here in the bottom left corner, this is my KW Keller Williams account, 845306 at canva.kw.com. So I want to write it out so I can type it out later. I wish there was like an easy copy, but there's not. I can't copy this email for some reason. But you want to type out that account number, because this is the email that you're going to share it to.
Yeah, I can't see past I think my things are too big. That looks like your
Screen?
yeah, like yours is small and you can see everything. Mine is large.
Yeah, maybe
And
if you hit control and then minus, or window, not Windows, command, and if you have a PC, it's control and minus, it'll make your screen smaller, or if you do the plus sign, it'll make it a little bit larger. So if yours is looking this big,
control and minus.
yeah, control and the minus next to that 0 button, it'll make the screen a little bit smaller, and you can click it as many times as you need to just make that screen a little smaller.
Let's say 80%.
Okay, what were you saying though? Earlier?
Yeah. So if I save my email like this, 845306 at canva.k, I'm gonna write this down because again I can't copy it. 306 at canva.kw.com. And I'm gonna go into my personal Canva. Now I don't have a pro account, but we're still gonna just log into it. This one. So now I have templates here, so I no longer have that big KW red Canva. So say I want to share my design here to my other Canva account. What I am going to do is I'm going to hit the share button. I'm going to type in that email, 845306 at canva.kw.com. And I'm going to make them an editor of this. And I'm going to hit share. Okay. And then I'm going to go back. Now, this is where things have gotten tricky for me, where I've had to kind of log out of everything and then log back in. So I'm going to click on, I had to go home. I'm going to click on my little name again. I'm going to switch back to my Canva account, my KW account. Again, this is where I've had some issues, because see, now when you have to log out of all your accounts and then get back to the command one. Because
Oh,
when I
okay.
just click on my account here, you can see I've lost the big red KW and Canva square.
Mm-hmm.
So I no longer have that. So I have to log out. And then I got to go back at the top. I got to do canva.kw.com. And then I should be able to see that template in there that was shared with me. It's in my little notification bell.
Okay.
Holly Washington shared with me. And now I have that in my account. I can come in here and edit. If I go home, it's now in my all projects. So it's quite, there's a couple steps. There's a lot of steps included there. It's a lot of logging out and coming back in, but it's because these are two separate websites technically. When you try to just kind of switch here easily from one side to the other, it just doesn't compute very well. So you do have to like log into one, share all the things that you want to share, log out, and then come in back into the Canva one.
Well, if I downloaded everything, if I followed that download instructions and everything's in that uploads right there that says that folder, do I still have to share everything?
Like if you, I gave you download steps, didn't I? Let's see.
Yes, you did. So if I did that, did
Mhm.
that bring everything over? It seems like it did.
It should bring everything over.
I don't have to individually share everything.
No.
Okay, good.
Now I haven't tried that because the last time I tried it was with because the office uses Tiffany's Pro account. We had
Mhm.
some issues with it, so I haven't been able to try that. And I have like maybe 3 templates I've used in my other ones, so I didn't try the download piece. So yeah, you can either share or download everything and then upload it in.
Okay, thanks.
Mhm.
But that's only if you have 2 Canva accounts.
That's only if you, yeah, because Canva's been a huge marketing platform, and so a lot of agents have bought a pro account in the past, and then we launched this partnership this year. So a lot of people are transferring so they can downgrade their other account. I mean, I would still keep it. You can still keep it as a free account if you have templates that you need to merge over still, but you can push them all to this one so they can all be in the pro services. But again, you can find the how-to steps if you hit home. Open this little menu here. They have this Canva Enterprise, and they have the 2 steps here where you can check it out and look for that.
Holly, is this only for individual accounts or will there be a team option?
Right now, this is just for individual accounts. You can make groups like Kristen, Tiffany and I kind of have like a little group, but it's mostly just shared projects that we share with each other. And we all have edit access so that everyone can just like share and use. But no, I don't think there's the team option in this, at least not that I've tried. Because the teams that we have here is just Keller Williams Associates. So that's where like if I were to share this Canva command services, if I were to hit share and I said, let's see, is it teams? I know there was a way to like share, or if I hit this access level, anyone with the design link, and I like share it to KW, all of KW World gets it. But the cool part about this Canva section here, I can search for everyone's name. So Kim, Kimberly Millet, there you are, and it'll share to your KW Canva account. And if I do Lynn, so once you're in the KW Canva, you can share it amongst each other by searching your names, and it's going to share to your Canva, your KW Canva account. It's not going to share to that personal KW. So you can see we're like Kristen, I use Kristen and Carmel a lot.
So that leads me to, I don't think this is going to work for us currently with our team, because I don't see, if I cannot have a team, I cannot have it doesn't look like I can edit my brand guide in here, my brand kit under Keller Williams.
Yeah, no, you can't edit your specific brand kit. It's just the KW brand.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Holly, I'm still not seeing, I can't see anything past that create, that little, that little star,
Uh-huh,
create, I guess it's
uh-huh,
like a star.
yeah.
Everything after that, after my apps and KW, the little KW disappears. I don't see the
Well, when you're in the
bell.
home, when you're in the home page, the KW app isn't there. It's not until you open a picture or open a flyer where that KW app on the side, like if I click on this command services, then the KW app icon shows up.
But I got that, and then that okay, that's what I'm seeing. I'm just seeing that little star at the bottom, but I can't see where you said that that we could see our the little red KW with the notification on the top. I can't see that. I can't see those two things. So maybe
Um,
I'm in something else.
well, you're in the when you when you are in yours, do you see like home projects
Right,
start
you
or
can't
like is
see
it
it.
yeah, so you just have to zoom out a little bit and then my notification bell pops up.
Something else. Okay, maybe because I'm in the process of working. I think that's what it is.
Yeah. And then Michelle, what do I want to share with my personal account? Um, my personal account is a free account and it doesn't have all the cool pro features. So I can't use like some of the fancy fonts. I can't like if I needed to resize this design to like a flyer or a Facebook story, I couldn't do that without a pro account. So for me, this is an upgrade for what I'm doing. For some people, they want to they want to stop paying for the pro, which I think is it's only 20 bucks a month, but also if you can save 20 bucks a month, great, you know, like that's a free dinner at McDonald's or free, whatever. um so they want to share from their personal to their KW so they can save that $20. For me, I wasn't paying $20, so I want to share all my cool templates so I can add maybe fancier fonts or different pictures. Because there are going to be some things like um if I'm in this project here and I wanted to add like an element, say I was looking for like a for sale sign. All these ones, yeah, so the KW account is a pro. All these little ones with like the crown on it, these are pro account, those are pro symbols. So I could add it to my personal one. I just couldn't download it. I couldn't use it. It was stuck in Canva. So now that I have this pro account, I can use all these images and download it and use them all entirely. You're welcome. All right. Any other questions? Okay. I mean, yeah, that's, I mean,
No,
play around with
sorry,
it.
that
Oh,
I
go
had
ahead.
meant to unmute it. There are no questions. I think that I got everything. You just wanted us to learn how to connect those, but then like you said, in order to be able to pull in other listings, pull in all of their information, we have to be inside something we're working on. Then we're able to see that KW app.
Yep.
Um, yeah, I think all that made a lot of sense. I got it all.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, you have to be in something that you're working with to see that KW app. Um, and yeah, again, your logos are already in there. You upload your headshot the one time and then it's in there. And if you don't have a pro account, now you do. And if you have a pro that you're already paying for, you can transfer it all over here and use this pro instead of paying for it.
Yeah, I did that. And thank you for those instructions. I merged it all this morning.
Awesome.
So now I have everything uploaded. That's that uploads
Perfect. Awesome.
private folder.
Yes. Perfect. Oh, and just to go back to Michelle's point on the food drive here, the food drive link, let me log out of my let me get into my other Canva. Let me get into my non-KW Canva. Do you let me log into this one? All these other tabs. Okay. Ooh, it's mad at me. It's like you've been logging in and out all these accounts all day. Let's see. All right, so I'm in a regular Canva account. Pretend it's like your KW Canva account. If I want to edit this flyer, I've got this email pulled up. It's also on the office resource website. So I'm going to click this. It's going to take me over to my Canva account, and you're going to see that I can't do anything with it. What you want to do is you want to hit File and make a copy, because this will give you a copy that you can edit and you can change the information on and drop in your logo. I wanted to give you one as like a view, and then you can make a copy and you have everything available to edit and change the name and the phone number and all that stuff. I just didn't want everyone having access to the one flyer, so now everyone can create their own personal flyer.
That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good question. That was a great question, Michelle.
Same thing, I guess, and then the smart plan that you have is like, you're giving us the graphics and then we have to create the smart plan from our own command and attach the graphics that we edit this way.
Actually, no, I've actually created, now you can edit the graphics that are there, but these are published into the library. So I have client outreach food drive. I'm going to edit this one. And then here's the email. I just kind of did it pretty basic. So you can update this picture if you wanted to, or you can edit any of the wording, by clicking preview, by clicking on the, this little edit pencil here.
Okay.
If you click on the design, you can edit the design. And you can change the name, you can switch out this picture. So I've already created it with pictures. It's just if you wanted to change any of the wording or any of the graphics, you can change that. And the video here shows you how to download these smart plans and how to edit as well.
Awesome. Thank you. That's super helpful.
Yeah. And then there's also like a social media content plan. So that's where you can use the social graphics here, the Facebook graphics or the Canva graphics. Oh, I didn't realize that one wasn't linked. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, it worked. I clicked it. It worked. Door playbook for a door hanger and stuff like that too. So that's all here and ready and loaded. Locked and loaded, ready to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, we actually got our first cans dropped off in the West Ashley office. So West Ashley's crushing it in that regards. So make sure this is a great time to reach out to your database. Kylie specifically asked for a smart plan for picking up. So if you want to offer to pick up food and do, hey, I'm going to be in your neighborhood from this time to this time. It's just a one-off email, so you can use it multiple times. It's still a smart plan. You can use it multiple times. And then there's also a thank you that you'll need to edit with the number of poundage that we get at the end. So we'll be announcing how much food we donated at the potluck on November 20th. So I hope you guys can attend. Also, we'll email about it. Don't worry, we'll email it, we'll post it, we'll do it all. But I just wanted to thank you guys for attending. And next class will be next week, and it's how to get your designs from Canva into Command. So, social posts, flyers, if you wanted to do any branding or emails, just let me know. We'll work on that on postcards. We'll do all that on next Monday. Okay. Awesome. Well, listen, y'all, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know if you need anything, okay?
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. All right. Bye.
1, 2, 2.